You might not think about your liver very often, but it's working hard for you every second of the day. This often overlooked organ is constantly performing a myriad of tasks that are crucial for your survival and overall well-being. This complex organ is essential for life. It's not just a passive player in your body, it's actively involved in almost every system, ensuring that everything runs smoothly. It's your body's very own chemical processing plant, tirelessly performing hundreds of vital functions. From breaking down nutrients to producing bile, the liver is always at work. Without a functioning liver, we simply wouldn't survive. It's responsible for detoxifying harmful substances, synthesizing proteins, and storing essential vitamins and minerals. The liver is the largest internal organ in your body. Weighing about 3 pounds, it's a powerhouse of activity, managing everything from metabolism to immune responses. It's located on the right side of your abdomen, tucked neatly beneath your ribcage. This strategic position allows it to efficiently filter blood coming from the digestive tract. Despite its quiet nature, the liver is a true workhorse. It's involved in over 500 different functions, each one critical to maintaining your health. It plays a critical role in digestion, metabolism, immunity, and the storage of essential nutrients. The liver produces bile, which helps break down fats in the small intestine during digestion. In essence, the liver acts as a filter, ensuring that everything that enters your bloodstream is processed and detoxified before it can harm your body. It converts toxins into harmless substances or ensures they are excreted. It's a silent guardian, constantly working behind the scenes to keep you healthy and functioning. The liver also plays a role in regulating blood clotting and fighting infections. Let's delve deeper into the amazing world of the liver and explore the many ways it keeps us alive and thriving. From its regenerative capabilities to its role in hormone production, the liver is truly a marvel of the human body. The liver is a true multitasker, juggling hundreds of crucial tasks simultaneously. This vital organ, located in the upper right quadrant of your abdomen, is indispensable for maintaining overall health and well-being. Despite its relatively small size, the liver's impact on the body is monumental. It's involved in almost every aspect of your metabolism, from breaking down food to producing energy. The liver's role in metabolism is multifaceted, encompassing the conversion of nutrients from the food we eat into essential substances that the body can use. It also stores these substances and supplies them to cells when needed. Without the liver's metabolic functions, our bodies would struggle to maintain energy levels and perform basic physiological processes. Here's a glimpse into some of its key functions. The liver's responsibilities are vast and varied, each one crucial for sustaining life. From detoxifying harmful substances to producing vital proteins, the liver's functions are integral to our survival. Detoxification. The liver acts as your body's filter, removing harmful substances like alcohol, drugs, and environmental toxins from your blood. This detoxification process is essential for preventing damage to other organs and systems. The liver's ability to neutralize and eliminate toxins ensures that our bodies remain free from harmful substances that could otherwise accumulate and cause serious health issues. Bile production. The liver produces bile, a fluid that's essential for digesting fats and absorbing fat-soluble vitamins. Bile is stored in the gallbladder and released into the small intestine during digestion. This process is crucial for breaking down dietary fats into smaller molecules that can be easily absorbed by the body. Without bile, our ability to digest and utilize fats and fat-soluble vitamins would be severely impaired. Protein synthesis. The liver creates essential proteins that your body needs for blood clotting, fluid balance, and transporting substances throughout your bloodstream. These proteins include albumin, which helps maintain the body's fluid balance, and clotting factors, which are necessary for blood coagulation. The liver's role in protein synthesis is vital for maintaining the body's homeostasis and ensuring that various physiological processes function smoothly. Glucose regulation. The liver helps regulate blood sugar levels by storing glucose as glycogen and releasing it when needed. This process is essential for maintaining stable blood sugar levels, which are crucial for providing a consistent supply of energy to the body's cells. The liver's ability to store and release glucose ensures that our bodies have a steady source of energy, even during periods of fasting or intense physical activity. Cholesterol production. The liver produces cholesterol, a fatty substance that's essential for cell membrane health and hormone production. Cholesterol is a vital component of cell membranes, providing structural integrity and fluidity. It is also a precursor for the synthesis of steroid hormones, bile acids, and vitamin D. The liver's role in cholesterol production is crucial for maintaining cellular health and supporting various physiological functions. These are just a few of the liver's many responsibilities. The liver's functions extend far beyond what we've discussed, encompassing a wide range of processes that are essential for life. From storing vitamins and minerals to producing immune factors, the liver's contributions to our health are truly remarkable. It's a true testament to the complexity and efficiency of this incredible organ. The liver's ability to perform such a diverse array of functions with precision and efficiency is a testament to its importance in the human body. Its resilience and regenerative capacity further highlight its significance, as the liver can recover from damage and continue to perform its vital roles. In the following sections, we'll explore some of these functions in greater detail. By delving deeper into the liver's various roles, we can gain a better understanding of how this remarkable organ supports our health and well-being. Stay tuned as we uncover the intricacies of the liver's many jobs and learn how to keep it functioning optimally. One of the liver's most important jobs is detoxification. This vital organ works tirelessly to ensure that our bodies remain free from harmful substances that could otherwise wreak havoc on our health. The liver's role in detoxification is not just crucial, it's a matter of life and death. Every day we're exposed to a barrage of toxins from our environment, the food we eat, and even the air we breathe. These toxins come from various sources, including pollution from vehicles and factories, chemicals in processed foods, and even household cleaning products. Additionally, our own metabolic processes generate waste products that need to be efficiently removed from our bodies. Without the liver's intervention, these toxins and waste products would accumulate, leading to severe health issues. The liver acts as a powerful filter, removing these harmful substances from our blood and neutralizing them. It performs this function with remarkable efficiency, ensuring that our bloodstream remains clean and our organs function optimally. Imagine your liver as a sophisticated water treatment plant. Just as a water treatment plant purifies water by removing contaminants, the liver filters out toxins from your blood. This analogy helps us appreciate the complexity and importance of the liver's detoxification process. Just like a water treatment plant removes impurities from water, the liver filters out toxins from your blood. This process is continuous and relentless, ensuring that our bodies remain in a state of balance and health. It uses a two-phase process to accomplish this. Phase 1 involves enzymes in the liver breaking down toxins into less harmful byproducts. These enzymes are highly specialized and work at a molecular level to transform dangerous substances into forms that are easier to handle. Phase 1. Enzymes in the liver break down toxins into less harmful byproducts. This initial phase is crucial as it prepares the toxins for the next step in the detoxification process. Phase 2. The liver attaches other molecules to these byproducts, making them water-soluble so they can be easily excreted from the body. This phase ensures that the byproducts are safely removed from the body through urine or bile. The liver is incredibly efficient at detoxifying a wide range of substances, including alcohol, drugs, pesticides, heavy metals, and even the byproducts of normal metabolism. This efficiency is a testament to the liver's adaptability and resilience, and even the byproducts of normal metabolism. These metabolic byproducts, if not properly managed, can lead to cellular damage and inflammation, further highlighting the liver's essential role in maintaining overall health. However, when we overload our livers with excessive toxins, it can lead to damage and dysfunction. This overload can result from chronic alcohol consumption, prolonged use of certain medications, or exposure to high levels of environmental pollutants. Over time, this can cause liver cells to become damaged, leading to conditions such as fatty liver disease, hepatitis, or even cirrhosis. Therefore, it's crucial to support liver health through a balanced diet, regular exercise, and avoiding excessive exposure to harmful substances. Although it doesn't directly break down food, the liver plays a crucial role in digestion. One of its key contributions is the production of bile. Bile is a greenish-yellow fluid that's stored in the gallbladder and released into the small intestine. Bile acts like a detergent, emulsifying fats. breaking them down into smaller droplets. This emulsification process increases the surface area of fats, making it easier for enzymes from the pancreas to digest them. Think of it like dish soap breaking down grease on a pan, making it easier to wash away. Without bile, our bodies wouldn't be able to properly digest and absorb fats. This would deprive us of essential fatty acids and fat-soluble vitamins, leading to nutrient deficiencies and health problems. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share for more mind-blowing content.